The EVA app is free for users to create an account and collaborate with team members. So if you invite vendors, clients, or team members to your projects, don't worry about them having to pay to participate. If you want to create events and add records to the databases, a paid subscription is necessary. There are two tiers to a paid subscription. Both offer full functionality for events and all databases, but there's an additional module called Assets available for an additional cost. To view the details of the Asset module functionality, please view the Asset Manager video in this series. When you create a new account, your dashboard has limited functionality. However, if someone has an unpaid account but has been invited into a project, they'll be able to access all pertinent event information and screens. To illustrate this functionality, let's take a look at an event from two different accounts. To do this, we'll be using two separate browsers for this demo. Here in Chrome is a fully paid subscriber, named EVA Demo, as you can see here in the top right corner. This user has two events, a motorcycle trade show and a car launch. Here on the dashboard, under the Event Teams area, you can see that there's a team member named Invited Vendor for the motorcycle trade show event. You can also see the team members by clicking into the event and then selecting Team in the Event submenu here. As you can see, the user, Invited Vendor, is not only a team member, but a project owner, which gives that user full event privileges. You can watch the Event Team demo video for more information on teams and roles. We'll switch now to Firefox, where we're logged in as Invited Vendor. You'll instantly notice that Invited Vendor's interface has a very different feel to it, as this user has created an account, but does not have a paid subscription. As you can see, the action buttons used to create records, such as events, companies, vendors, and so on, are replaced with buttons to subscribe. Without a paid subscription, this user cannot create their own records and build out their own events. But as you can also see here in the events list, they do have access to projects that they are a part of. When we click into the event, you'll see that the user has full access to all sub-event menus based on their role and is free to interact with the data for those events as a full user. We understand that the key to making the platform and your events most effective is collaboration and sharing. We also understand that not everyone involved in an event needs to be creating and tracking data, but needs visibility. This free tier and functionality allows you to make sure that everyone on your team or involved in your event has access to the right information without cost being a hindering factor. This concludes our subscription tiers summary video. Thanks for watching, and please click through the other videos for in-depth looks at the various facets of the platform.